Good morning, students. Today I will discuss about the Yugoslavia. Yugoslavia was a country which was having the people belonging from different ethnic groups, like some were Albanians, some were Serbs, and some were Muslims. Perhaps this was the reason that there was a breakup of the country, that is, the states became independent nations during the period of 1989 to 1992. As I told you that Bill Clinton was successful in winning the election of presidential election in America because he adopted the domestic issues. And in the second term, that is in 1996, again he won the election based on domestic issues, and he preferred those issues like promotion of democracy, promotion of trade, and promotion and for the benefit, or we can say for the promotion of the climate. But he was also knowing that no person can become the president more than 2 terms in America. So when there was a period, we can say the years in which his term was going to end, then he also took some steps, which is the example of the hard policy. Now let's know. This is a map of Yugoslavia. It was one country, and people from this country belong from many religions, ethnic groups like Serbs, Albanians, and Muslims. So this was the reason, I think, due to which all the states became independent nations. But after becoming independent nations also, they decided to cooperate with each other and to work for the progress of the countries, means for progress of all the countries. But there was a nation like Serbia. Serbia wanted to dominate all the other nations, and then again there was a Kosovo. Kosovo wanted to be free from Serbia, and he declared itself an independent nation in 2008. But the word means countries, other countries in the world, they did not accept that Kosovo is an independent nation. It means Kosovo did not get the recognition from the world for being or for the existence of it as a independent nation. Now just come that of Kosovo. Kosovo was always the means, we can say, a place of conflict, and here the main reason was that 80% people belong from Albanians and 20% belong from Serbs, and they did not want to live with Serbia, so that's why they declared themselves as an independent nation, but it was not accepted by the world. In 1999, NATO attacked on Yugoslavia, and till 2 months it kept its forces, and from this attack mostly Serbia and Kosovo was infected. And just to see about NATO. NATO was an organization which was in which the members were of, in NATO, all the countries which are the members of NATO are US and its allies country. US and its allies country means the countries which support US. All the countries which support US, they are the members of the NATO. NATO means North Atlantic Treaty Organization. And this NATO attacked on Yugoslavia, and it bombarded till 2 months. How many times? Till 2 months. Now just see that NATO was the organization of the US and its allies country, whereas Yugoslavia was the founder of NAM. NAM means Non-Alignment were independent, but they did not, which became independent from the colonial rule, but they did not accept any power block, and they preferred to make its own organization, which was that non-alignment movement, and they joined that. And India was also the part of that. Now, a big incident took place when there was a bombing of US or US embassies. Embassies means the places where a representative of one country is living at the in other countries. Like suppose we are having places or where the American ambassadors are living. In the same way, Indian ambassadors are also living in America. Here we see that there was a group of terrorists. That name of the group was Al-Qaeda. Now, there is a role of Al-Qaeda also, because Al-Qaeda was a terrorist group, and it attacked on the embassies of the US, and those embassies which were in Nairobi, which is in Kenya, and then Dar es Salaam, which is in Tanzania. You can see in the map also that Kenya is a country, Kenya is a country of South Africa, and Tanzania is also a country of South Africa. Here Dar es Salaam is there, and in Kenya here you can see the Nairobi, right? So what now, when the embassies were attacked of USA, then the USA was not going to sit quietly, and then today it ordered, that is Bill Clinton ordered for the Operation Infinite Reach. In Operation Infinite Reach means to just crush the group of terrorists, that is Al-Qaeda. So US send cruise missile. उसने क्या किया? क्रूज मिसाइल सेंड करना शुरू कर दिया. कहाँ पे सेंड करना शुरू किया? उन सारे प्लेसेस पे सेंड करना शुरू किया, उन सारी कंट्रीज पे जहाँ पे जो कि अलकायदा के अड्डे माने जाते थे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल सूडान एंड अफगानिस्तान. ये माना जाता था कि सूडान एंड अफगानिस्तान के वहाँ वो जो है अलकायदा के अड्डे हैं. और अलकायदा का क्या काम होता था? दे यूज्ड टू क्रिएट टेरर इन द वर्ल्ड, एंड फॉर दैट पर्पस समटाइम्स दे यूज्ड टू टेक the human beings from any country. They used to kill them so brutally, so that there should be a spread of terror in the world. Now see, when USA started its operation, then the terrorist group, that is Al-Qaeda, was not to sit and not supposed to sit quietly. अगर जो है उसके अड्डों पे अमेरिका ने आक्रमण करना शुरू कर दिया है, तो इस बात की उम्मीद नहीं थी कि अलकायदा अब शांत बैठेगा. एंड इट डिसाइडेड टू रिवर्ट इट, एंड इट डिसाइडेड टू रिवेंज इट, एंड फॉर दैट पर्पस देयर वाज अ इंसिडेंट विच टूक प्लेस इन 9/11. 9 means 9 September. Sorry, 9 means the month of September. 11 means 11 September. Because there is a tradition in America that they write the date, first month, then date. So they decided to revert it back, and they decided to revenge it, and for that purpose they planned it, and they hijacked 4 planes, and 4 planes were the commercial planes, and these commercial planes were used for crushing or destroying the 4 targets. What was their targets? The targets were, they decided that one was World Trade Center, where the 2 buildings, one was North building and the second was South building. They decided to destroy North building and South building of the World Trade Center, and then the second was Pentagon. Pentagon was supposed to the safest place in the world, and that was the defense building for America, and they decided to crush it. And then fourth one was the US Congress. You know that if some country is going to attack in another country and it is just successful to capture or to demolish or to that capital of the country, then certainly it is accepted that the country who has invaded it is successful in winning the war. So Al-Qaeda decided to crush or to destroy the Congress. That is, Congress is the name of the parliament of the United States of America. And if Al-Qaeda was successful, suppose कि वो successful हो जाता, तो then it was a very big loss. हालांकि whatever the loss was there, it was a very big loss. In fact, no doubt it was a big loss. And just see about the targets of Al-Qaeda. They made one target, that was World Trade Tower, World Trade Center. World Trade Center was the economic hub of the America. It means it was the economic hub of the world also. And it was not only economic center, but it was the confidence of the people of America. They used to think that this is the symbol of the very the higher level economy and growth of the economy of America. So Al-Qaeda targeted those two buildings, and in some documentary film it has been shown that it was not like that ki only due to the plane crash the building could be demolished. It was shown that in every story of the building bomb was planted. मीन्स बॉम्ब रखे गए थे, पहले से इसकी प्लानिंग हो चुकी थी. हालांकि जो स्टील एंड ग्लासेस से बिल्डिंग बनी हुई थी, जिसकी वजह से व्हेन इट गॉट द बॉम्ब एंड इट स्टार्टेड टू डिमोलिश, but certainly there was a plan, and due to under that plan the bomb was planted in every story of the building. It has been shown in some documentary film. And the next target was that was the Pentagon. Pentagon was the defense center of the America, and defense naval center of the America. And we have seen that Japan also invaded here. That's why US was forced to join the Second World War. And again there was an attack, and the building was demolished by the Al-Qaeda through this plan and through these targets. Then other was Parliament, that is Congress building, that is Parliament वहाँ की वैसे की Congress building को demolish करने का plan था. But before that in some field the plane crash was there, and it could not demolish this Congress building. So there were three targets. One was economic hub, the second was defense building, and the third was Parliament. They were successful to demolish the economic hub, then defense building, and then the Parliament they could not demolish. So they were failure in demolishing the Parliament, but they were successful for getting the three targets.